ito yung opisina para mag-book sana ng zipline. Wala, fully book lahat. Sayang. Kailangan talaga ano siya tawag dito. Naka-book online. Naka-ano ka lang. Anong tawag doon? May booking ka na.
Oo.
Sa kabila. Dapat may booking siya. Ay. Dapat may booking. Maganda sana yun. Magandang adventure yun. Pinakamataas, pinakamabilis, pinakamahabang zipline. Yeah, it's long weekend kaya busy. Yung bag, dali yun. Yung bag, oh. Yan ba yun? Dali mo yun. Good morning, Maya Trey. Good morning, Internet. Good morning, viewers.
Finally, everyone's out, and the timer is almost done.
I'm sorry sa lahat nung first namin na explain ko lang. Nung flight namin papunta dito sa British Columbia, everything na mga videos was ruined. Nasira, walang audio. Kagabi nag-edit sana ako but lahat wala siyang audio. So, nothing. Wala akong i-show off sa inyo yung flight namin papunta dito. Pagkuha namin ng sasakyan hanggang pagdating namin dito sa aming Airbnb. So, nawala lahat. So, today is our second day dito sa British Columbia. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung aming area kung saan kami nag-rent ng Airbnb somewhere sa north ng Vancouver. Malayo kami sa city today. But, yeah. So, ito yung Airbnb. Excuse. Okay, ito yung kusina.
This doesn't seem like an Airbnb.
Yeah, ito yung kusina. Nandyan na. Kung pwede ka magluto, luto. Kung may lulutuin ka, meron na rin siyang microwave, may fridge na rin, pero walang laman. Meron palang laman. So, yan ang kusina. Itong washroom, shower. Yeah. So, bali, basement siya na nakuha namin. Basement, may tao, may nakatira sa taas pero wala dito. So, dalawang kwarto. Dahil meron siyang washing machine na kasama. May closet. Ito yung papunta sa taas pero of course, sinarado nila itong area na to. Papunta sa taas. And yeah, itong isang kwarto na to para sa mga bata. So, bali, dalawang kwarto yung nakuha namin. Sakto lang sa amin. Pamilya. But, yeah, again, nawala yung video. Mga video. I mean, hindi na mawala. Walang audio yung aking ginawang video. Nung umalis kami sa bahay, sa aeroplano, hanggang sa pag-rent. So, sayang yung aking yung effort na So, today, papunta kami ng West Clear. That's 2 hours from here. Ito na, susot ko. Ito ba kasi medyo makapal siya.
I want to wear Crocs. But are that your shoes? Are those your shoes?
Why?
Malikabok.
Bro, they're only for slippers. You wear socks.
So anyway, ito yung nakuha naming Airbnb. So nasa basement kami nakatira. Amin sa baba. That's $1,600. 45 minutes siya from the city. Medyo may kalayuan nga lang. Tapos yung car, nasa likod niyan. Hindi yan. Nasa likod niyan.
Diyan na lang, medyo sa gitna. Para madali makagal.
So, itong nakuha namin na Chevrolet Equinox sa Enterprise. Istorya pa nito. Hindi kami nakakuha doon sa airport kasi sobrang... Ay,
May gagi, kakalungin ko na lang yan.
nasa baba eh, ano nyo? Pwede nyo pang iipod yan?
Ha? Baka nga. Para maluwag-luwag. Iyo nga itry na din.
Dito na lang sa likod, malukot naman yung sa likod kasi sikip.
Mikey, pupuntahan dito kasi maluwag.
Ay, dito kay Kali, oh. Itong kay Kali naman.
Yan.
Yan. Wow, Kali. Yan. Hindi, dito lang. Hawak lang ni Kali. Yung parada nila dito kasi paakyat. Medyo taas. Saan mo kinuha to? Ba't ka nangunguha dito?
Yeah.
Gusto ko kinukuha.
Yan, bebe. Nakapatong ka dyan.
Ano nangyari?
Take the next right onto Mountain Highway.
International students dropped 46% in April 2024
I like this house.
year across all universities in the network.
Oh, this house. Mom, I like it.
How many minutes?
Ba't ayaw niya? 5 minutes. Lang dito pa.
I didn't know. TNT. I don't think I'm Chinese.
Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Cypress Lookout. Oh,
Smoking.
Pinalaan agad sa iyo.
na?
No smoking.
So bago kami pupunta sa Westler, daan muna kami dito sa Cypress Lookout. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah. It's nice here. Oh, kita ang ano. Nice. Ganda oh. Yung sinag ng araw. Kita nyo? Ganda oh. Ganda? Clear ba?
Siguro mas maganda siya sa night.
Ha?
Night. Makalita, I'll take a picture of you.
Take a picture there. Yeah.
No! This is your vacation. You planned this. Ikaw ang gusto mo punta.
Oh, sige na.
Patayo ako.
Baka mahulog ka. Tayo ng konti. Kali. Tayo ng konti dyan.
I wanna go with Mama.
Yeah.
I wanna go with Mama.
Wag!
Ma!
Oh, go with Mama.
Sige, ma.
Oh, yun mama.
Ay, natataklo ba? Ang laki mo na.
Kali!
I wanna go.
Oh, okay. Careful guys ha.
Doon, smile. Huwag ka nang gumanyan. Hindi maganda pag nakatayo. Tatakloban mo yung bag ko.
Here.
May pagkaanuhan pa naman kayo.
Both of them got kidnapped.
Oh guys. Squamish. Woo!
I wanna stay.
I with mine.
We're all gonna go down.
Ha?
Yeah, we need to eat.
Yeah, nasa Squamish kami
We
ngayon.
need breakfast.
Breakfast. Alas 7 na ba?
Aba, mag-8 na.
Yeah, alas 7 na lang.
And then it's gonna open the skyline. Wait, what is it called?
Yun na pala yung Sea to Sky, dinala natin? Oo, akala ko nakabook siya sa ano, sa Westler.
Twizzler.
Yan pala yun.
Well, let's go.
Or you can have hot chocolate for me.
Asan sa akin?
Hello.
Okay ka.
Kaya ng pancake. Ah, that's yours.
Kali can have the hash brown.
Share kita.
Hindi na, ito na sa akin.
Dami oh.
Hindi, maliit lang yan.
Ang maliit. Alisan niya to.
Dahil. Kay Kali? Sa'yo?
Bebe,
I ate sushi already.
nag-almusal siya.
Ah, okay.
Yung sushi.
Kanina to? Uwa? It's yours? Sit down.
Kay Kali.
It's Demon Hunters.
Guys, Squamish.
Tricks.
Maliit lang siya na ano. City.
Medyo coffee.
Balarama. Pero this is a nice city kasi you can see the view. Do you think they get sawa sa view?
Ay, hindi.
Hindi sila na siguro nagsasawa sa view, no?
Lagi na ano, dako na. Lagi na doon. Lagi mo na doon, mami. Mamaya ka na ulit.
They got coffee.
Eh,
Siguro masarap yung coffee nila.
ang kulit.
Oh, yeah, they got coffee.
Ay, di ba ito? Wala ka lang.
So, yung mga...
Stonks Market. Oh, wow. Taka ramen and sushi. Just come there. Oh, this is like a band. No? Oh, they have the Taste of Saigon Cafe.
The common.
Stop. Wait a minute.
Stop. Wait a minute.
Oh, lakad-lakad na sila, oh, di ba?
Are you copying?
Oh, stop.
Ah?
Yung mga troso. oh.
Asan troso? Ah, yeah. Yan ang ano nila, yung pinapaanod na sa tubig. Para mas madali nilang makuha. Ah. Yan, lumang ano. Pinapaanod nila yan, tapos dyan, kinakarga yata dyan sa ano.
Diyos ko po, for sale pa. Iluma na.
Ay, vintage na yan.
Well, yeah, nothing.
Ba't may mga ganyan sila, no? Yung parang may poste.
Ano yan?
Para sa ceiling.
Mabalanse sa ceiling.
Ah,
Mabalance ng gano'n.
Oh, is it $200 to get on?
yeah.
It's $200?
Yeah, for sure.
Yesterday I worked for
What's $200?
an hour for him. I pulled into the shop on my bike.
Ganda ng mga bangka nila.
I gotta go there.
Wow, that was 7 years ago, right?
Yeah.
Nung sumakay ka?
7,
8
8.
years ago.
Pay parking in effect.
Pay parking?
Yes, how do we
Here?
pay?
So how do we pay for this one?
It's either going to be on the Pay by Phone app. If you don't have that, you can go into guest services.
Okay, so
Yeah.
turn right here.
Exactly. Thank you.
Well, you know, pati
Siyempre, capitalism at its finest.
grabe. Lahat na pupuntahan mo dito, guys, mayroong parking.
I think it's like 5 hours.
Yun, dito, pag ganun.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh my.
yun. This is trucks. Punta ka daw dun, sabi niya.
But that was Mama Pizza Pizza.
Baby ha, ako ang iyon talaga.
Papa, dun.
You're gonna pee our
You're done.
pants if you're scared.
Baby ha, talagang ako ang tinitira mo ha.
Hi there, morning.
They reverse back a tiny like an inch.
Reverse park to. Ang ganda naman.
Yep.
If you throw it on the ground, it's a litter.
Yeah, it's littering. Yeah, don't throw anything to the ground. So guys, pupunta kami dyan sa taas. Ready, Kali? Thank you. Get inside, Kali. Get inside, guys. Ay, hindi pwedeng ilabas ang ano?
Dito ka.
Why?
Sabi niya, papatay mo ka ako!
Nangangatal na ako.
Wala ayaw mag-close. Ha, dito.
Yes. It's gonna close na. It's gonna close now. Oy, mas maganda tingnan dito.
Ay, ayoko.
La.
Huwag niyong takutin si Bebe at siya palang mapapaihi sa pan. Hindi si Mama.
Sabi niya kasi kayo na, baka mapaihi ka pa.
Going fast.
Oh my God, Brett!
We're going all the way up.
Oh!
Up.
Oh, wait, look at the sea! Tingnan mo, dagat.
Oh my god. No, I don't know.
Nakikiliti ang aking palakpakan.
Take a picture. No, Dad. Send it to me. Send it to me. Huwag kayong titingin sa baba.
Oo. Yung batik ne. Sinting din naman.
Wow.
Ano, tapos biglang naputol, no? Tapos biglang naputol ba?
Shut up! Shut the fuck
After
up!
7 years kayo na lang uli na uli. Ang gondola ni Uwa.
Ang taas, oh, ang ganda, oh.
May nasave ka pa bang ano, picture ni Uwa? Tapos isama mo ngayon.
Picture nga kayo. Sayang eh.
Dito,
Oh
baby.
my God.
Bili.
Ata.
Tingin. 1, 2, 3. Walong ka,
Wag
tabi.
at mali balance.
Tingin sa akin.
Hindi ba?
Hindi na siya makagalaw! Almost there, we're almost there.
Major, kung makakapatakot ka rin naman.
Diba? Gusto ko nga tumalo ng
Where's the
200 feet
hiking
eh.
trail? Smile.
I'm not
No, we're
going
almost
down.
there.
I'm not
No, don't
going
show my
down.
face. Man, can you do a video? Nakagat pa picture.
Oh my, look at that, guys.
I don't want to go down.
Major, baka wala na naman yung sounds. I-check mo. Sayang yung ating first videos.
Papa, what the
Oh my God.
Why you're so fat? Look at your belly. You're making it fall down.
Look at that. Oh my God.
Ayaw ko lang tingnan.
Tingnan mo sa taas. Tingnan mo, makita mo view. Kita mo view, pre. Look at the view.
Oo nga, ganda, grabe.
Look at the view, oh.
I'm scared.
Ang ganda, pero lang
Ah! Your fat belly is gonna make it fall down.
nangangatog na ang aking
Oh,
tuhod.
really?
Don't pee your pants, bro.
Oh.
Don't pee your
Oh, look at that, no? Napakaganda. Look,
But stop! Sit down, your fat belly.
look.
Oh my God, why are you scared?
Hindi natin nakita yung mga hikers. Ma'am, mas mahaba sa
Mas
Calgary.
mahaba sa Calgary.
At saka
No,
pa ganun pa siya.
no,
Ma'am.
ito,
It's
no.
lower.
Ang Calgary ay Taslan, ito tip, napaka-steep,
Oh my God.
patusok.
Ay, hindi ko
Look.
No, but
Oh.
that's longer.
nagduduyan-duyan pa
Yeah.
tayo doon.
This is smoother.
Kita mo, oh, tingnan mo.
Gets mo? Sa Calgary, akyat gaganon.
Oo,
Gaganon.
nagduduyan-duyan tayo, di ba?
Ito, napaka-steep niya, oh, tingnan mo.
Umupo ka na.
Look! Look, yun, oh!
Ah, parachute, oh, yun.
Parachute!
Yun.
Ayun, yun.
Oh.
O, di ba?
Kita
That's
niya lang.
parachute gliding. That's, bro, I feel like scared when I go on that parachute.
Maganda sana, di makalabas ang ano eh. Camera. Yung 360 sana, maganda.
Ayan mo na.
I'm never looking down.
It's so steep.
Yan, napaka-steep. Look. Oh, ganda, oh.
Ang ganda.
May diro ka nang tumayo
Wow, your fat belly is gonna make it fall down. Fat.
Oh, grabe.
Oh my God.
Yan, nagbi-baby na ata, ha?
Oh, it's gonna stop. Mataas pala siya.
Mataas.
Kung titingnan mo lang siya,
Hindi.
pag nandoon, mababa. Kasi meron siyang bundok, but meron pa pala dito sa taas, oh.
Wait, no, look.
Ay,
Parachute.
huwag kang magalaw.
Okay. Wow, you're fat.
Can you stop insulting?
Yeah.
Hindi na
Kanina
maganda,
ka pa.
hindi na maganda sa
Wow, it's gonna fall.
We're not gonna fall. Look at the bear. Look at the bear.
Where?
There.
Where?
Yan sa baba, oh.
I don't see bears.
Meron kaya dito?
Yan,
Yeah,
meron
of
dito, of course.
Kaliwat kang galaw ng galaw, ikaw talaga.
Taas pa eh, oh.
Ikaw maano ko dyan. Oh, mag-isa lang siya, oh. He's
Asan?
contemplating.
Mm-mm.
Kung tama ba yung naging decision. Can you stop standing up?
Hindi,
Ikaw nakakainis. eh.
Nagme-meditate siya. Nagme-meditate siya ata. Ayun, oh, may trail.
Asan?
May trail ba yun?
Oo.
Ang hirap mag-trail dito, palusong.
Hindi ka pababa, magte-trail. Bawal kang pababa, pataas ka lang magte-trail.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Tapos
I can
pababa,
feel my ears popping.
ito na.
This is scary.
Yeah, bawal kang mag-trail sa pababa.
Why?
One way lang siya.
Oh my
Tignan
God,
mo, ang
it's so
taas pa
high in
niya.
the air.
Pagkatapos yan, meron pa rin sa taas.
Wow, ang ganda talaga. Grabe talaga sa loob.
Kali,
Amazing.
Oh my, it's vibrating now.
We're slowing down na kasi we're almost
Huh?
there.
We're slowing down, bro.
Oh, how do you like it?
Go,
Oh, it's vibrating.
Man, smile.
They want to go down.
Active pa rin kaya ito pag ano, kahit during winter season?
Oh,
Kasi
nagbabibrate na.
nagsiski sila.
Ah,
Nagbabibrate na.
See, pag mga ganyan, ang ano sa Calgary, nakakatakot eh.
Ah, nakalock pala siya sa cable. Nakalock siya, hindi siya nag-i-slide. Yeah, nakalock siya sa
ang
cable.
cable may dir ang gumagalaw.
Yeah, ang cable nga pala gumagalaw. Tinan mo, ang taas pa sa taas. Oh. hindi pa tapos nga eh.
Hindi mismo itong sinasakyan natin.
Hindi, ang cable
Kaya
pala.
pala 3 to 5 hours yung hiking pataas.
Oh my God, ang taas na natin. May camera oh. May CCTV dun.
Kasi
Oh
ang
my
alam
God,
ko,
sobrang
pwede
taas
mo
na natin. Uy, mas mataas doon sa Calgary.
Yeah, mas mataas siya, ma.
Yeah, pa steep siya eh. Pa ganyan, no? Ang Calgary, pa slide siya, pa slant. Kita mo, taas na ng ano.
Oo, mataas
Pero
yan.
hindi mo feel na ano, sa Calgary napaka-wiggly nung, ano ba tawag sa
Siguro sa hangin. Ang taas na, oh.
It's not even 1 kilometer from the ground.
It's 3.5 kilometers.
Oh, see? Tapos hindi na kayo takot sa height, no? Di ba? Pwede na tayo mag, ano,
Can you
base
imagine?
base
That's just a
jumping.
really small mountain.
What is base jumping?
Cliff jump.
Parachute sa cliff.
I don't know.
Tatalon ka
Still
sa
a
cliff.
kid.
That's like
No,
only 3
you can do it.
kilometers.
Huh? Bro, but you can land in the water.
Then we can do the zip line like this.
No!
Naku ata, mas mahaba
That's
nga.
200 like...
Pa pala.
Oh my god! No, but it's really beautiful.
Po! Ano pa pala?
Sabi niya, malapit lang ha. Yan pa, oh.
Oh my God!
Hala. Doon pa pala tayo sa kabila.
Ay, doon pa pala sa kabila.
Look at that. Enjoy nyo na lang ang view.
Kaya nga, ang haba pa na may din.
Sabi ko sa inyo, mahaba eh.
Oh, you guys are only here for the gondola.
Oh, tingnan mo si Uwa, hindi natakot. Oh,
Yeah.
ganda ng view. Enjoy the view, best. Enjoy the view. Look.
Wala nang makapitan. Nangangatal ako.
Yeah, ako dyan, be.
Ay,
Ano ka
mabigat
ba?
na tayo.
Mabigat ka!
Yeah.
Lipat ako.
Oh, is it a view?
Ba't bumagal na siya?
Siyempre flat na to eh.
Ah, ito yung ano, yung sinasabi niyong gumagalaw kasi sa gandola.
Hindi ganito sa gondola. Mataas din kaya yun. Ang taas kaya na.
Ayan pa, oh, sa tuktok pa tayo eh, oh.
Hindi nga, parang ganun sa gondola. Hindi ganitong pa-flat.
Oh my, ganda ng ano,
Gets mo
view.
ba?
Hindi mo na makita ang dagat.
Yeah,
This is
yun
like the
lang.
airport.
Wala na kasi natakpan na siya eh.
Wow.
Wala pang nababa, oh.
Wala pa nga.
Wala pa, maaga pa para bumaba.
Lahat sila nandito for the hiking.
We're
Ba't
here
parang
for the
malamig?
gondola.
May
Ay,
aircon?
hangin?
Saan galing?
Galing dito sa ano, labas, syempre.
Hindi nga, saan pumapasok? Saan pumapasok ang hangin? Ah, yun. Bukas pala. Sa taas. Oh my.
So we have air.
Are you having fun, guys?
Yeah.
Parang dito sila nagsiski.
Huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
At parang papaplay tayo ng music.
Wag na.
Yun pa, oh, sa tuktok pa tayo eh.
Ay, sa tuktok pa eh.
Hindi pala dyan.
Ang layo pa.
Is this 200 meters?
Doon pa sa dapat.
Grabe no, yung machine na nagpupul, no? Ate, wag.
Ano ba yan? Si Papa kasi eh.
She's literally recording.
Kaya nga, I want to have music for the vibe. Sea to sky, gondola.
Kaya pala malaki ang income ng busy.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Bro, there's a hole.
Can I open it?
No!
Wala, hindi naman mabubusan.
Parang nakakatakot mag-hike dito.
Yeah.
Kasi iba yung hiking nila mama dito.
Oo,
sa
iba.
hiking na gusto kong puntahan nyo. Yung hiking dito, talagang trails lang, oh. Hindi...
Oh, ito, kita pa palang dagat dito. Gilid, dito na makita ang dagat. Pero kanina steep, no?
Dapat nung nagpunta ang iyong mga tita.
Hindi nga sila nakapag-gondola.
Gondola sila.
How big are those
Sila
mountains?
nakapag-gondola.
Taas na to. Yan na. Yan na sa taas. Oh. And almost 12 minutes din palang
But
ano?
I'm gonna have to go all the way up there again.
Almost 12 minutes din. See the sky gondola.
Yan ang mga nagpaparan eh, no? Yung mga...
Yung cable na yan.
Hindi, yung mga post na yan.
Yeah, ang tibay ng post din eh. Yan na sa taas. We're almost there.
Where's the trail? I'm trying to find the trail.
Hindi, sa start lang siya makikita.
Magkano sa gondola? That's, I think, $80 yata per head. Dito, 70.
I don't remember. Siguro nag-iba na yung pricing nila.
No, that's the trail.
Oh, ito nga ang trail.
Oo,
Oh,
may mga trail nga.
Asan?
Yeah.
Yan ang trail packet. Parang may semento.
Yeah, pa ganito.
Semento nila?
Yun. Hindi, rock yan. Rock.
Rock yan?
Over here.
You know, paikot na gano'n. No?
Oh, look at the view there.
Gabi, bago pa sila makarating dyan.
Naku. Kaya pala nakasulat doon na sabihin kung sino kasama mo, saan kayo pupunta.
Siyempre, baka walang signal dyan. Eh.
Don't walk alone.
Don't walk alone. Ito, bukas na pala oh. Sino na bukas nito?
Nakabukas talaga.
Ha?
Over here.
We're here. 13 minutes, 14 minutes.
Oh, bag. Oh,
Wait,
ba-
pa, is it?
ready to get down.
Okay, it will not stop, okay guys? It will not stop.
Hindi.
It will stop. Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go. Yay! Here.
Okay, let's go. I'm chasing dreams, I'm chasing light. Pushing boundaries, taking flight. I keep my head high, never look back.
We cannot get kaya. No, even though you
Babe, come here, follow me. No, follow me. Just walk straight. Just walk straight. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, you're taking a break.
No.
You're taking a break.
No. It's okay.
No!
No. Yeah, just walk in the center, babe. Just walk in the center, babe. See?
Stop, you're shaking the break.
No, don't shake it. Don't
You're
shake.
shaking it.
No.
Stop.
No, it's not shaking. I'm not shaking.
It is.
I'm not shaking. Somebody's walking on it. No, just walk.
I'm scared. Fuck.
Just walk. Just walk. Don't hold. Don't hold. Don't hold. Just walk.
No.
Just walk.
No holding.
No, just walk. Just walk.
This so scary.
Come here. Just walk.
That's so scary.
No, it's not. It's not.
Oh my god. Well, are we gonna have to walk back?
No, we're gonna go down. Oh, see? It's nothing, bro.
No, it was actually scary. I thought our the fatness, like all of the.
See? It's nothing, right?
How can this carry a lot of people?
Yeah.
How?
Here, Andrew, I want to look at the map you took a photo of. Jason, be careful swinging the stick around. There's lots of people. Come up here where there's nobody.
Yeah, spirit trail.
Yeah.
Oh, it's giving. Look.
Ew. Oh, here, let me see. You're always obsessed with 0.5. Let me see how it's done.
Here's Scully at the back. Guys, alam nyo, every time na mayroong mga ganitong mga bundok, kasama na lagi yung hiking. Okay? Let's go. Sky Pilot Lookout. May extra kang damit dala? Wala rin. So hiking kami dito. Ikot lang kami para hindi na kami tatawid ng suspension bridge.
Oh, we're gonna go under
The
the blank thingy.
Oh yeah, babalik ulit tayo sa zipline. What zipline?
The gondola.
Yeah,
We're gonna go under.
yeah.
Uy, baka mamaya iba na to.
Horizon Falls Lookout. Init na. Oh, nice. Nice view.
Ganda ng summit na yun. Sa other one. Parking Toblerone.
Parang Toblerone.
Why is that snow? Not snow. Why is that snow? Ma, is that snow? It is? No.
We're almost done. Dito sa loop ng ng Sea and Sky
I want to go to front.
na bundok.
That's already.
Masarap pala mag-hiking, no? Masarap mag-hiking pala. Mag-trail. Hindi ko naisip yan. Ano na si Emma Kaufman. Ito yung magandang exercise. Exercise. Buti na lang, no? Itong area dito sa Canada, walang mga rebelde. Kasi kung nangyari ito nakagaya sa Pilipinas, na merong rebelde, baka habang naglalakad ka dyan, meron ka ng meeting engagement dyan, no? Mga armado. Wala na, ambush na. Bakbaka naman. Ang tawag doon, skirmisher to the left, skirmisher to the right, assault. Okay, SRP 6 o'clock at the back. Buti na lang walang mga rebelde dito. Delikado to sa ganitong style sa military noon. Pag sa military na style, hindi ka dapat daan ng trail. Wag kang susunod sa trail kasi for sure diyan sa mga gilid niyan yung ambush area. Okay, so pag military, doon ka talaga dadaan sa taas. Laging high ground. Huwag ka sa low ground kasi dihado ka pag nasa low ground. Ambush ang pagdadalihan mo. Kaya alam niyo meaning ng Mark? Mark, yung pangalan ko. Military, ambush, ray kamatyan. Pero pag baliktarin mo yan, magiging cram. Yun ang isa kong Facebook doon. What?
This is going back.
Oh, where's the gondola?
That way.
Which way? Pag binaliktad mo, ang tawag naman doon ay kram. Kamuray angay, mamatay. Yan, kamuray angay, mamatay. Military, ambush right, kamatyan. Sasabihin ng mga military, magiging kram. Kamuray angay, mamatay. No, just kidding. Pero totoo yan. Anyway, mabalik na kami dun sa ano, baba. Sasakay na ulit kami dun sa cable car na yun.
I'm so tired. My feet are in pain right now.
Are you?
Yeah, my feet are in pain right now.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Pabalik na. Washroom muna lahat para bago bumaba. Okay guys, we're back.
Wait, is that a dirt bike?
No.
What is that? Is that an ATV?
Yeah, ATV. Parang turista ay yung itsura mo. Yung sa atin sunod. Adventure by the nature. Okay, go there. No, not that one. Unfamiliar with use of left as pendant.
Wait, it doesn't stop.
Ang bago na dyan.
Okay, get in.
Go.
We're going down again for 12 minutes.
No, Kali, let's switch. I'm gonna get motion sickness. Dapat dito ka may kitang-kita mo ang labas. Come on, dun ka.
Dito ka, Awa.
No, I'm sitting here.
Doon ka sa tabi ni Mama.
Mo kitang-kita mo ang labas.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kahit hindi mo yan
Hindi ah.
ilabas yung...
Kasi gusto ko makuha ang cab eh. Buong cab.
Oh, I see people hiking.
Oh, I see a guy down there.
There, the red.
And it's down there.
I see another guy there. He's climbing.
And there's another
Oh.
guy under us. There's another guy.
Climbing? Where?
Right there.
And there's another guy under us. Another guy. Wait, but there's an airplane. There's an airplane.
Who even wants to do this?
Oh. Whistler yan.
Which?
Alaska.
Ano bang tanawin sa Whistler?
Mountains.
Ah, ganito
Ah, no,
rin?
slides.
Ah, may mga
Zip line. Yun.
Mag-zipline ka na.
Nandun ang Olympic Village eh.
She said a room.
You wanna try the zip line?
Ayoko.
That's 1.2 kilometers.
Oh, putang ina. wag.
Yeah, from 1.2 is just like this from there to down.
Ayoko.
Huh?
Layo.
Yeah.
Ala, it's stopping.
Hala.
May bumababa na ano, matanda.
Oh my God. Hala, ito na nga sinasabi.
Eh, ano mo? Powers mo.
Ito na nga sinasabi ko. Why stop? Oh my.
It's normal pag may, di ba nakalagay, normal na mag-stop pag may mga wheelchair or may ano.
Ah.
So it stops under the wheelchair?
Ito.
Ata?
So binibilisan lang nila.
Binabagalan nila pag may mga wheelchair. Para makapasok kung mga super matatanda.
Ito yung magandang view dito. Ito pagbaba dito. Oh, bakit mo natawid kanina?
Kasi I did it scared.
Dahil sa isip lang kasi yung scared eh.
Kaya nga, you have to, ano, talusin mo. Kailangan mo talusin
We're landing.
Fear.
We're here.
Oh, bilis.
Yeah, mas mabilis ang baba.
Bababa.
Alam mo ba't mas mabilis? Kasi pag nasa taas ka, you're
It
anticipating
doesn't
it.
stop. It doesn't stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Baka
god.
careful with this ha.
Oh, yan na, yan na, yan na.
Kasi baka madali maano.
Okay, it doesn't stop. It stops.
Sit here. Alright, we're done. Woo, we made it. Bili mo na tayong soft drinks. Uhaw na talaga ako.
Pero maganda dito, ang dami nilang, ano, 3 season lang sila. Fall, summer, spring, tapos lang winter. Is that because of weekend?
Holy smoke. Punong-puno guys, kita nyo. Punong-puno ang parking.
Lahat nakalagay allowed for no park.
What is happening here?
Go turn here na.
Huh?
Ikot tayo. May
Wala na? Ito, nandito na kami sa public parking dahil doon sa lot, wala. Lahat ay full ang parking dito sa Whistler dahil ngayon ay
Long weekend.
long weekend kaya ang daming mga turista. Google Play and App Store Park. Scan you guys. Mas cheaper daw to sa pay parking kaysa doon, no? Pag nag-pay online.
Yeah.
Pero kailangan mo ilagay yung credit card mo.
No signal here.
Or sa ano, dun sa labas, tara. Mas mahal daw dun dito, dyan sa box. Nice here. Kaso lang, gusto ko sana sumakay ng ano, o sumakay ng yung zipline. But yung zipline is around, may rent pala ata, oh. Take me for a ride.
Inquire for rentals.
Marunong ka, ma? Bike?
Hindi nga.
Electric bike? That's electric bike, oh?
Are you for sale?
No, you're gonna ride.
Which one you ride?
Huh?
I want.
Can you ride? So take sana ako ng zipline, but yung zipline is
We'll
around
just buy a bike.
$175. Anong tawag doon nata? Squamash? Sasquatch? Sasquatch. Sasquatch?
Sasquatch.
Sasquatch?
So, papunta tayo ng
Pinabayaan ko sila para mag-navigate. So nandito kami sa loob ngayon. Ang daming tao. Sobrang init.
dito.
Yan, oh, yan sana, oh.
Sasquatch. Yan.
Nasaan dyan?
The Sasquatch Tour.
Sasquatch Tour. Ayun, oh. Yun ang gusto ko, eh. Yung 2 kilometers na ride na yan, oh. 2 kilometers. Perfect for those who are after the ultimate zipline experience. Ilang oras? Oh, 1.5 hours lang, oh.
Why are we going so much?
Yeah, 1.5 hours. You want me to do it?
Yeah, ito the legendary. Ay, summer only.
Kaya nga.
1.5 hours na.
Yeah. You wanna try?
Kayo, 150 oh.
How much?
150, itong 170, yung 2.5 hours. Itong 2.5 to 3 hours, yun ang mahal. Up to 200.
You wanna try?
1.5 hours?
Yeah. Then you're gonna hintayin nyo kami. Ha? You wanna try?
Pwede, but sina mama.
Hintayin nyo kami dito.
But I want to take a wish.
Yeah, take a wish there.
But I have no coin.
Ayaw mo, di ba?
But I have no coin.
Nandito mga price.
Hindi nga binabasa ni Papa, I gave it to him.
129. So 149 ang adult. Tara, let's go.
1.5, maboboard sila mama.
At least makapagpahinga sila, hindi sila maano. Tara.
Hindi, pupunta kami dito ni Bebe oh.
Saan?
At saka ni Uwa. Dito sa Tree Trek. Oh.
39?
$40.
Ano yan?
Trek. Tree Trek. Ito lang.
The one we took on
Ito.
Tara.
Remember you got the nosebleed from
1.5 to 2 hours.
Tara.
Kami nag-tree trek.
Tara,
Para
punta ba?
ma-experience si Ata ang zipline.
Tara, kuha tayo ng ano.
Doon ba nagbabayad?
Ha?
Pwede sa online?
Hindi, dun na pa mabilis.
Doon na.
Remember when you got a nosebleed?
Online na naman. It's not fun.
Yeah.
But it's not fun.
Yeah, what is that?
Like, remember when you were using the zipline before you got a nosebleed?
Oh, yeah. So try namin yung
Bobby, careful
Sasquatch.
on this one now.
1 point.
Sas?
Sasquatch.
Squat.
Squatch.
With a T.
Squatch.
Sasquatch.
Yeah. Guys, ito yung opisina para mag-book sana ng zipline. Wala, fully book lahat. Sayang. Kailangan talaga tawag dito. Naka-book online. Ano ka na. Anong tawag doon? May booking ka na. Ano sa kabila? Dapat may booking siya. Ay. Dapat may booking. Maganda sana na yun. Magandang adventure yun. Pinakamataas, pinakamabilis, pinakamahabang zipline. Yeah, it's long weekend kaya busy.
At ZipTrek, safety has always been of paramount importance, and like virtually all businesses during this time, we've modified our operations accordingly.
Kaya salamat kayo. Bay, ano pangalan mo?
Marvin.
Marvin? Salamat kayo, bay. Okay, bay. Kaya. Oh, napay subscriber dire. Kita na og sa pinatracker dire.
Let's go fast. You need no.
Bato ra sige siya kuan. Kaya pala siya tingin sa akin eh. Sabi ko alam ko na to.
Ayong lalaki.
Yeah. Saya. So man namin, nagpa-picture lang mi dire sa kuan. Picture lang kami dito sa Olympic na Bakit may Olympic na sign?
Dito nag-Winter Olympics.
Dito sa nag-Winter Olympics, what year?
I don't, 2000.
So comment nyo mga guys kung anong taon nag-Winter Olympics dito sa Whistler. So tapos na tayo.
Let me get the ice cream. I want to
Ice cream.
try it.
Ice cream again.
Kasi you can only get it in Banff, here, and Niagara.
So ano bang meron sa ice cream? Nakalagay doon cow's milk eh.
But it's very, oh my god, like 10 out of 10.
Yung stink nung ano.
Oh, hindi.
Tara.
Go, go, go.
Hindi siya liliko ha.
In 300 meters, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Sea to Sky Highway, British Columbia 99 South.
Oh, they're waiting for the bus.
Waiting for the bus. Thank you, Whistler.
Thank you, bye.
Pero hindi ko nagawa yung aking gustong
Thank you
gawin.
for making my future.
Next time, I'll be back
No.
Mag-preserve ka.
by myself.
Nope.
I'll be
At the
back.
light, use the
Sabi
left
ni
2
Baby,
lanes
no?
to turn left onto
By
Sea to Sky
myself.
Highway, British Columbia 99 South.
Gagawin ko yung
You're not going by
zipline, bungee jumping, 160 meters.
I wanna go zipline too.
Yeah, but it was closed.
Continue for 119 kilometers.
Oh, I thought it was... Di ba ganito yung mga ano sa Europe? Nasa side ng mountain.
Norway.
The roads in Europe were on the sides of the mountain.
Yeah, just like Norway.
Tapos you will go under tunnels pa.
Oh, yan naman ang makabila sa iyo.
Kaliwag na, we're driving.
Talaga?
Eat it at home.
That's not our home. That's our Airbnb.
Steve.
That's not our home. Our home is in the
Okay, 30 minutes.
Huh?
Police?
Moment 30
I got
minutes.
350 minutes. That's 300 That's actually 3
Is that mandatory or
really
only
We're 30.
mandatory ba yung
We're
ano yun
30.
or
Hindi, pag turn lang 60. Ito 70 pag 30.
dalawa yun eh, mandatory or sa parang suggested ano,
Suggested.
suggested? Yeah, that's suggested.
Ito 60 pag
Yellow.
wake up.
Here. Never.
Yung mandatory yung white.
Hindi na malagay ng maximum.
Yeah, suggested na yan. Yan, yung ganyan yellow.
We're very nice.
I was right.
Where? I'm a I'm a booger. Come That's a Ferrari! Ata! There was a Ferrari!
Ganito rin ata nung dumaan kami sa Tanay.
Rizal?
Oo, papunta ng Quezon.
There was a Ferrari.
Pataas
Oh
na
my
baba,
God, I never
paliko-liko.
saw it.
Why siya nakada?
Yung ganda, yung gano, 60 my dear. Yan ang ano.
Amos?
Oh, did you see that Ferrari?
No, where?
It was cool. It was
Nandun pa rin yung truck na yan.
Wow!
Oh yeah.
Ang beautiful!
Uy, ang Amazon, nag-deliver.
Doon siya galing sa pinaka-top.
We're gonna stay here.
Wow!
That's house for sale.
Huh? That's how
Alright.
it's for sale? Oh my god.
Thank
We're
you.
I wanna buy it.
here.
I wanna buy it.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, Mama.
Kung bababa.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you pa.
Alright guys.
Pa.
So yung aming day, kukunin mo ba? Yung aming day today naubos doon sa west na area, sa Westminster. Merong mga rides na gusto kong gawin sana, yung zipline na 2 kilometers, but again, hindi ko nagawa yung bungee jumping. Kasi ngayon palang oras na to yung binigay sa aking slot, alas 5, alas 4. So, gaabutin kami ng mga alas 8 na ng gabi pag kinuha ko yung slot na yun. But next time, ganun pala kailangan pala kailangan mo siyang i-book advance. Bebe, get out there.
I found grapes.
Kailangan siyang i-book advance. So maybe next time. So this is the day is done for the day. Ano tawag ba yan? Then bukas, may iba naman kaming pupuntahan sa Washington State. Pasok kami ng Amerika. Again, dito yung aming Airbnb. Dito kami nag-stay sa baba. Yeah, nakalak na yan. So daghang salamat pag amping mutunan. And have a good night. I hope na nag-enjoy mo sa amuang gihimo karong adlaw. Abing.